Prophet Badu Kobi sorry membership Senate.
What have in the maybe affected Prophet Kobi because of one person.
Who is that?
Owusu Bempah.
Oh no.
Prophet Owusu Bempah.
Oh, how can another prophet affect another prophet ministry?
Yeah.
How can it be?
The moment a Prophet Kobi boy now the onion and nancy be me just no catch on telephone. Me go sorry. Me just no catch no. So me go sorry.
One kaza.
Owusu Bempah.
Catch
a Prophet Kobi. Me just no catch no.
No waguno.
O say me go sorry.
No waguno.
And no start here Prophet Kobi no muja. We go to ne ba efu. Oh, so one ben Prophet Kobi ti say dia meme ben na. Obi kasa asam we che, obi di nechi. Nipa oye nipa bonefo we ase pa. E wo Prophet Kobi na life. E Osofo Owusu Bempah. Me na me kan ye, beautiful e kan ye. Ye wona woka.
So it's your own word.
It's my word. Nipa oye nipa bonefo pa we ase. E Osofo Owusu Bempah.
No. Can it be enye we ase? O say ewo
abrabom. E Osofo Owusu Bempah. Every 6 months, na Osofo Prophet Kobi or top brand new car. E de Osofo Owusu Bempah. What be catch ne say 2016 omunko shankom na nyankopon aka kire wo say akufo ado ben weni. Na Prophet Kobi say onanyame nka asam nti wo say no omo de no we bi aba omo be chinchim ne manti yisi kura no be gene machine.
No, you're making allegation, please.
Oh,
please.
And me hono kan
No.
Oh, Ajimai.
I wasn't there, please.
Me, I was there.
Mr. Beautiful. 2016, which is 8 years now. Oh, what? Please.
I was there.
So you were a witness?
I was there.
You're fraud media dance.
I was there.
No, you're fraud media dance.
I was there.
No, that's not. It doesn't answer my question.
Ajimai. Osofo Kobi. Si nyankopon kansa asem ni nkyere no.
Wo si Osofo
Nana Addo wini ye no 2016. And the Prophet Kobi be shem come say Ghanaians will regret after 6 months.
Power the fam.
And when Osofo Owusu Bempah so beka say waso da ye hu fruits. Inti Ghana be ye de. Around that time no na eja Bempah frɛ Prophet Kobi so hia no. All come Kobi. The living room e two. You big living room, you small living room. You call small living room. O catch ni say what's so shishan come ajimanu aduane ato form.
Huh?
Yes. Asam I am me you so be na come me you. I was there.
Power the fam.
After that no decided say me go sorry. So go for Prophet Kobi wan sam ni jo mama asemba on ajima no what touch me wrongly. Don't say anything negative about these two men. Don't try. Because I know them. Prophet Kobi, I know the man. Me no. Many Prophet Kobi started saying in 2012. Yeah. Samuel T.A. Are you aware? Me, you can't say anything negative about Prophet Kobi to me. Oh. Me, I know the man. I know him very well.
Power the fam.
But oh, you penti. Me to me can say me to me the mitia to Hamano because oh you nipa. But I know the man. Owusu Bempah ne catch and say, what you want for me? When family your spiritual father be me go sorry. Also no moja we kutu ni bafunu or yes see sanya mo kan na ba ko cry no we no cry atronko a omuka ka say beautiful ne kan ye
and you be na be kan omuti omo show.
Thank you.
They are watching, they are listening, so it's not me.
Beautiful ne kan ye. Inti question now be say no because of the bad things Osofo Owusu Bempah did to Prophet Kobi the members they reduce. No two ways about that.
It means that Osofo Owusu Bempah has succeeded, right?
Was succeeded by Edenanim. Was succeeded but Edenanim a channel. He will pay for it.
Da
or catch and say me go sorry no. Prophet Kobi catch him say hey beautiful. Be careful. Owusu Bempah na fam emfa wanu ntum. Okay. Me mpesa obeka na asem. Omo frɛ wo radio so TV so don't say anything negative about Osofo Owusu Bempah.
Speak to the microphone please.
Don't say anything negative about Osofo Owusu Bempah. Okay. That is what Prophet Kobi. Inti Owusu Bempah ne Prophet Kobi nsame buy. What is can be that? Man can be that. Now I'm saying something about it.
Why are you saying it today?
I'm saying it today because question now will be some I need to bring certain things in to justify certain things.
Ose
what do you say Nana Addo ba? Ombesisa Prophet Kobi cast na di na woni fie. When a directly, because one more information.
Eh, why?
Also, better yes, I don't know. When I'm information, as I'm talking to you, cast 2 woman changes here. Lincoln Navigator, brand new back on any Porsche Panamera, a woman sounds here.
Ah, na ye Osofo Badu Kobi
Gas, on 5.
For cars saying.
For cars 3. Wow. Brand new cars.
I didn't number 5.
Almost on your duty, almost check yano, and government in power. Send a Prophet Kobi bomb, which is on common with something negative for and common into mo. But cars and woman changes here, but they will pay for it.
And Osofo Owusu Bempah and Mombesa Saka.
Oh yeah, where he told Canada Japan. On no catch Canada Japan. Make Canada Japan way for Befire. Custom for Besai.
Honorable Canada Japan started so yeah expose bi. Osofo Badu Kobi hu ba mu bi. E ba ne say no timinya information e de kan sam e fa Osofo Badu Kobi.
One number nka wo frɛ no.
But mo anka sam nya mo search hwehwɛ mu.
One number anka wo frɛ no. Because kwan of fast nya some information no e wo no nko aho.
And some no can no crabum.
Ajamai. Sanka wunya Canada Japan no mo ka wo frɛ no. Nanka obi as I'm talking to you, no nka Prophet Kobi crap up and chow sa some more kind no. E obi na ka kyerɛ no. At appropriate time, he will mention the person's name.
Can a Japan friend also for
of course,
but Kobi?
Yes,
yeah.
So sorry, Obina Kachreno.
Wow. Some the course not saying now also for Badu Kobi feeling.
He's somebody. The life and it is a school. May I always take his life as a school. I've learned a lot from these 2 great men, Prophet Kobi and John Dramani Mahama. I've learned a lot from these 2 great men. If I fail in life, I'm a very foolish person. Okay. Because I've learned a lot from them.
Okay. It's then all year. I mean, then I'm not shedding crying.
He's quiet. He's calm. He's okay.
Power
he's all right.
Defense.
He's all right.
Okay.
But appropriate time. Share Ajamai. You say Prophet Kobi. The area we are cast. Onim sanya ye clear car and free port. Onim ye. Onye bida. Onim sanya ye clear car free port. Say ye the car ba port. Ne ye kwa ka clear. Ye ko trade uti wa ha. Ye ko ewe wa ha. Ye ko jubilee. Ye onim ye Prophet Kobi onim ye.
Enti cast down all the chep celebrities ni musicians ni
Power Defense.
Oto car dealers na no mo de bre no e ma ne to.
Not that check for free.
Yeah. Me kai say me ko tua some C class open top bi Benz me ko tia ka $45,000 me tia ka Saturday Sunday no reach lumba yes o se nyankopon se so pese lumba e live a on fa ne car nche no e no de car nche na ye gi lumba nduro ye ko hye no me na me gi sa nduro no asema me ke bi se nyansabo akwa was there Roma father was there ask them.
Yes, sir. I think I was at Rainbow. Me yahu interview crowd.
Thank you.
Yeah, Bishop Prophet Badu Kobi by me show some me yahu interview.
Thank you.
I remember that one.
You see, that's the kind of person he is. He gave without thinking. On Fanny Pound.
Watch your kada.
Me, watch him be that.
What you saying?
Watch me Chrysler 300. And I'm young so my church in the 3 cars, my church in Range Rover, my church in Golf, my church in Sprinter.
Unya kanoi.
Me we are.
Power I all said cameras is how you're acting. Who come here casually church no?
No, that's not everything. Me one of them. Mayor for Sankana Bunsam yim de Urukum Yesu, but now he's a bay Cassasana, Uncle Winkun. Akufadu Ninianum. Sankano when you there will chase come a media man, who will good your mamma and any massy. Wa pam the yaya akatini fee, ne a tree, Yanko pointed the power, the supreme power. They bake it and in same. Your mama can wake up one day morning. Or you're a bad person. So them power was I'm a president, mammy. Sanko was the man Kufada, and can hear in which you say it. Okay, Ghana.
Oh, no,
no,
but he's the president now.
No, he's the president now.
So
what I'm saying is the kind of person he is. Can you believe that when you could join cancer away, you were set to die in a movie? Na Land Cruiser Baho. O baby son, there what's that your mama Missika there, one from Brown away, war brain is second on physical mum. Namfa John Mahama this can come na le wi bi say na ona bona minimuti Kumasi da woni say me yeska.
No, say it again. You say what?
Menin cancer, Kojon cancer la way. Menin was set so in a Land Cruiser base you. They must say a friend cancer or Land Cruiser nemo. Asam ne say o mate say menini ye dwuma John Mahama membi sikasa men friend bro na la way. Nti sike bia na me de ba no onfa ma de mame na mfa John Mahama de nkoma no omo abase omo brani bi.
Ase anything.
A wickedness. They hate John Mahama to extend there. Just anything John Mahama or you rubbish. But today, look at what God has done. Or this or total power no. Or the kita John Mahama. Or you bonify one day. Obutum was sorry there. Mobia and year in debium. You have to listen.
Oh, he will say that. That one there, no John will not say that because no. Can't move wrong.
No, me can't so
no, can't be move wrong. No.
Oh, you need bonify.
Don't cite this example.
Hey, enjoy your wife, Papa, because because I thought not the channel. About
what are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm telling you. So you need bonify one day. Obutuma catch the MPP fu nyina there. Mobia ndwansi bio.
It's true.
It will come to pass. But onye ni bonify. Obey use power na benefit Ghana, a benefit unborn children, not his personal interest. Or can I go to the personal interest? And I don't think then Koba be a president in Pobio. I don't even think. From the way me I mean no go yet.
When the war MPP moi
Power FM.
Ninti Emma Bawumia Lucy Potosa.
Ajamai. Dam question ya ebisemi. Sanka me a life detector machine. Nka mutu me yuano. But for now, me nipa or mam Bawumia Lucy dam. Namum to me, I had the arrogance of power. President Akufo-Addo ni nuanam would demonstrate.
Power
Ona
FM.
wa contribute to that shame and disgrace. Because Sanka wabre won wase no one manage. You see, to me cut TV there one open or to mame. Hey, Kumasi abonten so. Almost why MPP for Ankotwaba almost 2 years pa. They voted. Wotwaba pa. But in him, failure to even vote is also a vote.
It's true. To think not to vote.
Yes.
For your party.
Yes, it's also a vote.
Sure.
It's also a vote.
Yeah. In political science.
Yeah.
It's true.
So to me,
It's true.
they voted.
Yeah.
But one cat nefi 16 years to 20 years, no one get your homework well.
Now we know say every government go for 4 years.
One cat nefi 16 to 20 years, no one get your homework.
Why are you saying 16 or 20?
Because
Power FM.
unfortunately for them, no. Adibia we be about social media for so many years.
Rebecca forever.
Inti abofobia ko social media. No okorre the doings of President Akufo-Addo and his ministers are he will never or she will never vote for them.
But that time now, President Akufo-Addo is no more the president, and then on your candidate is
Wabeye the trademark. Wabeye scar in the minds of Ghanaians. Punishment awada magana for. Dr. Bawumia ma later on na mempenasem. The reason is waso pay not nifema mo from a warrior nankano so waka nankan yofo a oka ho.
Ababa will be bube will be me chen man shia menka.
Ajima yim sent America da ma.
I didn't know that.
Ado ye me yawo president vice president Bawumia no there. Otumi tena ho mo wudi ayarfo wuska. Onya do shimwo.
I for me.
COVID is can one change there. Sika was a bed there one for shire. What's home with Chedi one country?
No. Did you see them sharing the money? No, please.
Opinina otifie mamo from a renankan. So one can or can nankan you for what can the fra.
Until they beno and they qualify. I mean the sharing of the money.
Sure. Say report in the beno. Watch the COVID sika da or the
Yeah.
Mindi obi crampo bakado on watch a
Power
chairman.
FM.
You see, inti ayarfo wuska. Hey, what's him yet no? You see, if you want to know a wicked person, look for obia odi yarefo nisika, obia odi nyifre nyi nisika. Engo obia mbobo, the obia oyer nisika. That punishment will follow MPP forever. I am telling you. That curse will follow them forever.
Curse benno.
Ayarefo wisika na wache di no. COVID sika na wache di no enwa. Se boni biara nzi wechira. Them COVID money alone will haunt them forever. Because obi oye wicked no to me adamaden.